Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at a question that's really best to solve using a double tape diagram. A store has a display case with cherry, peach, and grapefruit chews. There are 160 fruit chews in the display case. Given that 25% of the fruit chews are cherry, represented right here, and 40% are peach, represented right here, how many grapefruit chews are in the display case? So they want to actually know how many actual chews, not the percent, although we do need to figure out the percent to get the answer. Now we know that if we add the cherry, the peach, and the grapefruit all together, that would be all the fruit chews, which would be 100%. So we need to figure out the percent first. If we add these two things together, that would be 65%, and if we subtract the 65% from the all of it number, which is 100%, then that would give us the percent for the grape. All right, so if we subtract, we can't take 5 away from 0, we can't take 6 away from 0, so that's going to become that, but only temporarily. This will become a 9, so that this can be a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So we're looking at 35% grapefruit chews. All right, now they want to know how many of the grapefruit chews are in the display case. Well, we have a couple options. Option 1 is to turn this into a decimal and multiply it with the all of it number. So let's take a look at what that would look like. 160 times 35 hundredths. Option 2 is to set up a proportion. A proportion would be about parts and wholes. Parts and wholes. And if we have 35%, we have 35 out of 100. And this would be the all of it number, so we would put it for the whole. We could simplify this ratio on the left by dividing by 5. This would be a 7, and this would be a 20, and we'd be solving for the part. So the only thing left you have to do is figure out which looks easier to figure out. Solving for P, which would be the part, or finding 160 times 35 hundredths and remembering to move the decimal over 2 to the left. So pick which one you like, finish it, and then that should be the answer. Good luck finishing this up.